evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, September 12th, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 36 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, as soon as we opened, we actually had a signal short that was able to get its first contract off, but there was no follow through to the downside. Immediately took a T1 minus 2, but that sent us right into a signal long entry, and that one did produce targets 1 and targets to the upside for 7 ticks. And we had basically been in this, we had a large gap down, but we were in the up move since about 8:15 this morning, and the market just continued to climb. We actually filled our half gap and pushed up through the 4 o'clock close before ultimately finding resistance just underneath the daily pivot. We actually had a whole lot of resistance up there at the pivot. That level was just past 1152, and it was the 415 close. It was the Globex highs, 1152.50. The daily pivot, some other things were there. They actually front ran that area and sold us off quite hard. We actually came down through our moving average. There was a fast move that ended up being an extension to the downside, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks as we pushed back down towards the previous day's low in what was the half gap. The market actually sold off almost all the way down to the open prior to prior to the 10:45 confirmation time. Got a little bit of a bounce and continued its downward ways. So you can see basically up until 11 o'clock we spent the first part of the day pushing higher, made highs on the day, and came all the way back to the open, found support at 1134, came back through our moving average just after we reached that opening price level, and there was a fast move to the upside, and this one was so fast there wasn't even an opportunity to get on it as far as even with an extension trade, and we went into the lunchtime dead zone. So that was basically it for the morning session. Then between 11:30 and 1:15, the red area you see on your chart, that red area basically means do not trade, and that's because the market oftentimes comes back and forth on lighter volume. Volatility increases a little bit and it ends up chewing up your profits. A lot of times there's stop outs. But after 1:15 we are free to start looking for opportunities again, and we actually had a quick move to the downside, provided another extension, targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks as we came back through the moving average. Again, it was a quick move. We were looking for an extension to the upside. This particular one ended up stopping us out. We were able to get the first contract off, no follow through, T1 minus 2, and then as the market pushed down again, another extension to the downside, targets 1, targets 2, 13 ticks before ultimately pushing higher in the afternoon. And the thing here, this move again was one of those very quick moves. You can see how it almost goes parabolic. Even in these parabolic moves, even with extensions, we were not able to get on, and then we got into the 3 o'clock time frame. Same thing, as it came down through moving average, even at fast extension, it was not quick enough to get it on the move. So a couple of trades there in the afternoon that were too fast even for our aggressive style of entries. So all in all, pretty good day. 6 trades, 36 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.